me friends, are you okay?
Okay, here are 10 interesting things that you probably don't know about Xiaomi. Starting with pretty good, but ending with something epic. Because
You turn us on with your very best smartphone.
so the word Xiaomi literally means little rice, which is actually a reference to a Buddhist concept. It signifies that Xiaomi wants to start from little things before aiming for the top. But it isn't ended here. An Indian Xiaomi fan and business partner of Xiaomi has recently named his daughter Xiaomi. For this reason, Manu Kumar Jain, the vice president of Xiaomi, thanked his proud father for his trust in the brand via a tweet. He also mentioned that this Chinese manufacturer would not be where it is now without its loyal fans and with all its zero marketing. How funny here the zero marketing is, so it's probably better we don't talk about this. But others didn't stop doing that. Carl Pei, the co-founder of OnePlus, commented lol. Besides, if you read the tweets and replies, you will easily understand that almost 90% people didn't appreciate this type of naming. But I got a Bangladeshi guy who was basically saying one of his cousins' name is also Xiaomi and he thinks it's a quite common and popular name if you keep the company aside. Yeah, nailed it. Well, in Xiaomi's logo, me or MI, whatever you say legitimately stands for both mobile internet and mission impossible. Xiaomi said mission impossible because they faced many challenges that had seemed impossible. Also, Xiaomi's logo has a hidden word inside of it. If you turn the logo upside down, it will resemble a Chinese character which means heart in English. Oh, do you know what mascot is? Well, mascot actually means a person or a thing that is supposed to bring good luck, especially one linked to a particular organization or event. Xiaomi's mascot is a bunny called Mitu who wears a laughing head. The Mi bunny's cap has a red star and it also wears a red scarf around its neck. Ain't it cute? And by the way, if you're enjoying this video, sub to the channel would be an evidence of your cuteness. Anyways, outside the domestic market, I mean the Chinese market, Xiaomi is currently doing best in global market also, as they're global number 3. Also, they're number 1 both in Ukraine and in India. Moreover, they are the second largest smartphone seller in Bangladesh with a market share of 16.02%. Xiaomi sold 15,000 Mi 3 smartphones in just 2 seconds in India. In fact, in 2014, they actually managed to break the Guinness World Record by selling 2.1 million smartphones in one day. Did you know you can also find Xiaomi smartphones in museums? Probably not. But the Mi Mix and Mi Mix 2 models are on permanent display at the Pompidou Museum of Modern Art in Paris. The museum's curator, Marie-Ange Blay, says that it is a perfect combination of technology and art in today's design masterpieces. So they kept those. There is a Mi Technology Park in Beijing in which the company has invested 5.2 trillion yuan, not billion, trillion yuan, and has an area of 340 square meter. This park is smart. The lights in the park can be checked via a speaker from Xiaomi. Temperature or humidity are also controlled using Xiaomi smart devices. There are 2 Starbucks in the Mi Technology Park. Popular winter drinks include caramel nut latte and lava black mocha. In summer it is coca frappuccino and peach tea. Also, Xiaomi employees love milk. Fun fact, one day Louis Bing ordered 300 cups of milk for his employees, and that leaves us to popular food. Xiaomi employees' most popular food is soup. However, if you think that only nuts and geeks work in Xiaomi, you are wrong. Some employees specialize in gardening, tea, others study genetics or cryptography. Besides, one of the employees speaks up to 7 world languages.
Truly, you gave every Mi fan what we need.
Yes, I think so. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel would be extremely epic. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.